What compound do we have today? 2-bromo, 4-chloro, 1-methyl, benzene. Let's draw the bond line diagram for this compound. Start with the benzene ring. So we draw 6 carbon atoms like this. And then alternate double bonds. We can label any one of those as the first carbon atom. Then we can proceed in any direction. Now we see that at carbon atom 1 we have a methyl group. So I will draw a line here. At carbon atom 2 we have a bromine group. So I draw a line and write Br over here. And then finally at carbon atom number 4 we have a chlorine group. So I can draw a line here. This is the bond line diagram.